Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's not about what you achieve, but how you think and act that defines your greatness. Today, we unravel the secrets behind the mindset of high achievers. Are you ready to unlock your potential? Discover the key traits, habits, and thought processes that lead to extraordinary success. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone striving to make a significant impact in your field, this video will provide you with the inspiration and insights needed to reach new heights. Watch, reflect, and transform your life with the mindset of high achievers. The mindset of high achievers isn't a mystery. It's a blend of specific traits, habits, and unwavering determination. Let's explore the elements that form the foundation of their success. High achievers have a clear vision and purpose. They see the bigger picture, understand their why, and have a deep-seated belief in their mission. This clarity drives them forward, even in the face of adversity. My vision has always been to push humanity forward, whether it's through sustainable energy or interplanetary exploration. It's the purpose that fuels my persistence. Resilience is the cornerstone of a high achiever's mindset. They embrace failures as learning opportunities and adapt swiftly to changing circumstances. Their ability to bounce back is what sets them apart. I've faced countless rejections and challenges, but every setback was a setup for a comeback. It's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. High achievers are lifelong learners. They constantly seek knowledge, develop new skills, and stay curious. This commitment to growth keeps them ahead of the curve and continuously evolving. Learning has been the bedrock of my journey. Whether it's reading books or learning from others, staying curious and informed has been crucial to my success. Discipline and hard work are non-negotiable. High achievers understand that success demands sacrifice and dedication. They are willing to put in the hours and remain disciplined in their pursuits. Behind every match, every tournament, there are countless hours of practice and preparation. Discipline and hard work are the pillars of my success. Positive mindset and unwavering self-belief are vital. High achievers maintain a positive outlook, even in difficult times, and believe in their abilities to overcome obstacles. Believing that the dots will connect down the road gives you the confidence to follow your heart. This approach has never let me down and has made all the difference in my life. Success is a journey paved with vision, resilience, continuous learning, discipline, and a positive mindset. Embrace these traits, and you too can achieve greatness. Remember, it's not about where you are now, but where you're headed. Start your journey today. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep reaching for the stars.